and welcome to our YouTube channel. Thank you so dearly for always supporting us. I really do appreciate. If today the first time you are coming across this wonderful family, or you are seeing my face for the first time, I still remain Agatha Progress, bringing it to you back to back. Remember, we react to all videos and all opinion is highly needed. So just sit back and watch this video and I will be right back.
And Tori be say, more people they under these rubbles and rescue mission they go on. So officials of Lagos State Emergency Management Agency LASEMA they on ground and police also they around to cordon off the area. Earlier on, people been gathered here, residents and other people we want to know what thing they happen, been gathered here. The police don't say make all of them to go their papa house. So now only officials of LASEMA, police and journalists they on ground. So they say the story building may collapse around past 3 today. And since then, people will they trapped inside the building still living. So argument they go on about the rescue operation. These people won't try come out the 4 people will be inside this building. So earlier when people be they argue say why this rescue operation would take like this? With the para for LASEMA see the moving excavator and the device means to begin the rescue operation by using their hands, shovel, hammer, or more bricks and stones. The building will collapse so now, ongoing construction for a Combi Crescent, the area of Lagos State, Southwest Nigeria.
From your people that are wearing reflective jacket, give us 10. You can't be here and hold your hands.
Argument they go on between one architect and official of LASEMA. The architect wear white helmet so. They argue how they want to rescue the people who did under this road.
People are dying here. Don't tell me to shut up again.
People are dying.
I said I'll shout. I will shout again.
The para architect para. The situation for here they tense. They won't find out them go rescue the 4 people who they trapped inside these rubbish. As we talked earlier, this one will collapse, so the first building will collapse for Lagos State. It was still day fresh for my memory, say 21-story building will collapse for the area of Lagos State. This one another building show don't collapse. 4 people they trapped on the sad development. BBC Pidgin they like to bring you the information surrounding the incident. Get more to read. Enter bbcpidgin.com/pidgin to read more to read about this incident. The men waiting on top the building, so they try rescue the 4 men who they trapped inside the building.
àwọn tó wọ reflective jacket kí mẹ́wàá jọ ní tiwa tó pé 20 wọ́n jọ wọ bẹ̀rẹ̀ wọ́n lọ láyé ìbẹ̀ta wọ́n lè dáwọn yẹwà wọ bẹ̀rẹ̀
One of the men were they involved in the rescue mission, they call out the name of one of those who they inside the building. The name is Monday. And then they call a name Monday. Maybe him go hear them and tell them saying still they are alive. Sad development for here. Our Combi Crescent, area of Lagos State. Where 3-story buildings will collapse this afternoon, Saturday, February 12, 2022. Since afternoon, this incident happened. Eyewitness talk say around past 3 it happened today. And Lasema, we on the ground since then. Now one person them don't rescue, and that one person no been there under the rubble. Them say they close to the building, and him they are alive. But 4 people they trapped inside this building. If you not just they join us, BBC Pidgin Day live for our Combi Crescent, Yaba area of Lagos State, southwest Nigeria. A 3-story building being collapsed this afternoon, around past 3. Also eyewitness talk. 4 people there inside these rubble. Men with day on top of this building who try to rescue the 4 people with day inside the building. One of them named now Monday. Who been shouting name Monday. So we go hear them, tell them saying still they are alive.
So what is the cause of this problem really? If rain did not fall, houses will got burnt, houses will collapse within a week. In fact, this is not sweet at all to the ears. People that want to go should go in peace. The country is not compatible for people at all. Too crowded. Everything is just too excess. It's too big for one person to rule. The population is getting too much, so people need to go. They need to go their separate way. Let the division come and let everybody be in peace. So my wonderful family, that brings us to the end of this update. Do well to like this video, share and subscribe if you haven't. I still be your one and only Agatha Progress, bringing it to you live and direct. Please subscribe and enjoy this beautiful family. See you when I see you. From me to you, I say bye.